Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video Drafer cuber. So today in this video I will tell you the thing which every cuber should have, which is lube. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. What is lube? Lube or lubricant is a substance which is made of silicon, water and many other complex substances. It is mainly used for cubers to reduce the friction between pieces of the cube. In simple words, it helps to make a cube smooth, faster and stable. Many professional cuber uses this lube and I also use, and this is why every cuber should have, because it is necessary to make your maintain cube. How to use your lube? So let's see the video. Now I am using Mofang qiyi lube, which is very cheaper. It is made of silicone. It is help to make your cube fast and stable. So you have to put the lube on internal pieces of the cube, so that it will reduce the friction between. Such like that, you could see that the bottle dispenser is so tight. Oh my god, you could see that. I hope you could see. Oops. So it is very struggle to put it on because it is very tight. The dispenser is very hole is very less. So okay, anyway, so I put some lubes in the internal piece of this. Now you can see my cube, which is very fast. It becomes more stable and speedy. Oh my god. You often wonder that when you brought a new cube, it is very fast, but soon after time it will become very low. This is the reason. At that time they all were factory lubed, and that is why firstly you could like the bit. Now for my suggestion, it is look like the cube when I brought this. Oh, I got a G-pump. I don't know G-pump, so I had to do a 2-loop PLL. Oops. I use UMO PLL. If you want to learn this PLL, click on the I option. So I hope you understand my video. Thanks for watching.